In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get data from Google Analytics in just 5 minutes. We'll walk through each step so that you can quickly and easily extract the information you need from this powerful tool. Let's dive in. First, head over to the Analytics Tools and Solutions for your business page on Google Analytics. You'll find this on Google's main site for analytics, where they house all their valuable insights and tools. Once you're there, click on Sign into Analytics. This will take you to the login page if you're not logged in already. You'll need to enter your credentials, so make sure you have them handy. Once you've signed in, you'll land on the Google Analytics home. Here you'll see an overview of your site's performance metrics, but for our purposes we'll be diving deeper. Click on the Reports tab. This section of Google Analytics is where all the in-depth data lives, offering detailed views on different facets of your website's activity. Within the Reports section, locate and click on Acquisition. This tab reveals where your site's traffic is coming from. It's an incredibly useful area for understanding which channels are driving the most visitors and how successful your marketing efforts are across different platforms. Next, navigate to the Overview section under Acquisition. This area provides a broad snapshot of your traffic sources with high-level data. This gives you a quick view of how people are finding your website through search engines, direct traffic, social media, and more. If you want to share or further analyze the data, you'll likely want to download it. For this, click on the Share option, typically located at the top right of the page. This is key if you need to present the data to team members or clients, or simply keep it for your records. From the Share menu, choose Download File. Depending on your needs, you can select various formats to export your data, such as PDF or Excel spreadsheets. This flexibility ensures that you can work with your data in the way that best suits your analysis or presentation requirements. Now you'll encounter a prompt to select the export format. Take a moment to decide which format will best serve your goals. For instance, using Excel might be more convenient for detailed analysis or additional data manipulation, while a PDF version might be easier to share in a more finalized format. And that's it. You've successfully extracted data from Google Analytics to use as you see fit. Remember, regularly reviewing and downloading your data helps keep your strategies up to date and effective. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you feel more confident navigating Google Analytics to gather the insights you need.